Go. This is a video just for you. You've seen this stuff on the shelves, right? And you've seen the stuff there on the shelves, right? And you've seen the stuff up there, haven't you? Right. But what I've done is I've only got rid of excess because I've still got this lot here and this lot here. You know, whatever's on the lid is in a jar. Okay. I've got this lot here. And I've got this lot here still. And I've still got this drawer here. And I've got this drawer here. And whatever you open, you'll find yourself some nuts and bolts somewhere. I've got drawers full of them here. And drawers full of them there. And all the usual places. But I've also got, there's Whitworth in them over there. But when you open a drawer, there's nuts and bolts in here, there's nuts and bolts in there, there's nuts and bolts in there waiting, there's nuts and bolts in there waiting, there's nuts and bolts in there, there's nuts and bolts in there, there's nuts and bolts in there. Right, I'm just going to go over here. Let me just move that out of the way. Right. I've got all these drawers full of little bits and pieces, nuts and bolts. I've got a tray of smaller nuts and bolts, and then all my other nuts and bolts, my other spare stuff, I keep in here. So whatever you open, I've got nuts and bolts. Nuts and bolts. I've got lots and lots of stuff. Little different size fixings. I've got stuff everywhere. So Cole, yeah, it's not just what's on the few shelves. I've got stuff everywhere.